It's your boy Sean P again, back with another video. And if you haven't been to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean Pennington Reviews. If you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you're watching this video, thank you for watching this video. And the topic I would like to talk about today regarding, beards. And I got this topic really off of, I'm piggybacking off of another channel. He goes by Beard Booze, but his name is Randy Hernandez. He has his own company, makes his own oils and balms and combs and stuff. And check out the channel if you get a chance. But the topic I would like to talk about today is why your first beard is the toughest. Now, this is my personal opinion, and it might be different for everybody else, but I think your first beard is the toughest because it's kind of like uncharted territory. It's something that you've never done before, and you're kind of anxious to grow the beard out, and you want to see how you look with a beard, and you're excited, but at the same time you're kind of you want it to happen right away. And that's what kind of makes it tough, because it's not, growing a beard, it takes time. And for people that have grown a beard before, they realize that. I mean, it just takes time. It doesn't happen overnight. Now, you can speed up the process by taking certain supplements or exercising, taking necessary steps to speed up the process. But for the most part, I feel that people, or inspiring beardsmen, are kind of anxious to grow the beard out. And this video is really more for people that are thinking about growing a beard, or they're beginning their journey and they're just really getting started on growing their beard. And it just seems tough to people because it's you're anxious, you want to get it done, you don't really know how to grow a beard because you've never done it before. And that's where you have to do research. There's a ton of videos on YouTube. You can Google the topic on how to grow your beard out, and get the oils, the balms, whatever you need to grow it out. And it just seems tough because then you have to face kind of criticism. And what I mean is people kind of come up to you and they wonder what's going on. And I know I've talked about this in previous videos that I've done, but people kind of come up to you and they wonder what's going on with you, why are you growing the beard out? And like I said, before, if you know why you're growing the beard out, say you just wanted to see how you look how you look with a beard, or you're growing it out for personal reasons. Maybe you're growing it out because something happened in your life. And with me, I just grew my beard out because I just got tired of shaving. I just got tired of shaving every day. I got tired of putting the shaving cream and the razors and all that. I got tired of doing all that. Now, not to say that I'm not going to be using a razor in the future, in terms of maybe to shape it up or anything, but I just got tired of shaving every day. It becomes a pain because then you have to worry about razor bumps and all that other stuff, and aftershave and all that crap. No, it's my beard oil is my aftershave now, so hey, it is what it is. But it just seems tough because when people criticize you and they want to know what's going on. And then I think another thing too, people kind of fear what they don't understand, in terms of well, I don't understand why he's growing that out. Well, he's growing it out because he wants to, first of all. And it's just, hey, people do what they want to do in life. It's you kind of got to stop worrying about what other people think of you and just do it. If they don't like it, just say, hey, they don't like it, they don't like it. They're entitled to their opinion. But as long as you have good reasons for growing your beard out, do it. And it's it just seems so tough because, especially if you're a very impatient person, it just seems tough because you want it to happen now, and it doesn't happen that way. It just takes time. And I'm telling you, once you get through the first maybe couple of months, then I think you could just you can get through the whole journey. Let's say you're growing it out for a year. Once you get through the first couple of months where you're going through that awkward stage and the patchy spots and all this stuff, you get through that, you can grow the beard out. I've done this twice already, and I know that if I have to shave this completely off, I know I can grow it again. But I know I'm not shaving it off because I love my beard, and that ain't happening. And if a job ever tells you, or somebody tell you you have to shave your beard, you know, cut that out. Like, it is not for you, because this is like part of my personality. This is just me. But it just seems like it's tough the first time growing it, because like it's all new. You get overwhelmed with information, and it's just like, I'm just telling you right now, if you're just patient with the process and just let it grow, and don't worry about what people tell you and what people say to you, and just stick it out. You don't know like what your beard might be. You might be able to grow a beard down to your, you know, to your stomach. You don't know unless you let it grow. And you might hear all the negative stuff, but you're gonna have to like tune all that stuff out and just, you know, just do it. Like I said in another video, just grow it out and just see what happens. Like, if you don't like it, you don't like it. If you like it, hey, stick with it. But this is just my opinion on what I think, why I think, you know, growing a beard for the first time is so tough, because it just seems, it's just so new, and you're anxious to like get it, you know, grow it out, and it's just exciting. But at the same time, you're impatient because you want it to happen right away, and it don't happen that way. That's how I was when I grew out my beard the first time. I was so anxious to let it to grow it out. I wanted to like grow like in a day, and it don't happen that way. And it's just like you kind of just have to like just go with the process and just deal with it and just stick it out. And regardless, like I said, of what people say and all this stuff, and then it's just like you get overwhelmed with all this information, and it's just like, I don't know, it's just like I feel that when you're growing your beard out for the first time, that it's exciting, but like I said, it's you get very kind of like anxious, because like you want it to happen right away. And I'm here to tell you, it doesn't happen that way. You can speed up the process, but long as you stick it out for however long you want to grow your beard, you can grow a beard. And the only way I feel that a person really can't grow a beard is like physically. Like, you just physically can't, like, there's something wrong. Like you have like a something physical, like a disorder where you can't grow hair on your face, or, you know, something else might happen, you know, be happening with you in terms of like what's going on in your life. I don't know physically what's going on with everybody, but you can grow a beard, and you will grow a beard, long as you give it time and you just take the necessary steps to grow a beard. And like I said, I'm doing this really for the person who's thinking about growing a beard, or they're starting their journey. I'm gonna say this right now: you can grow a beard, and you will grow a beard, long as you just stick it out and just give it time, and it will happen. I'm living proof. I didn't, for like years, I didn't think I could grow a beard, for years. And I would let people get in my head, and people talk me out of it, or saying what the heck's going on. And I just said, to hell with that. I'm gonna do what I want to do. And I grew it out, and it came in, and I just did it. And like I said, long as you know you're patient and you just stick with the process, you can grow a beard, and you will grow a beard. And like I said, I just wanted to talk about, you know, this topic, because I know it's kind of tough, you know, starting out, because like you're overwhelmed with all this information, but it's exciting too. So, you know, don't get overwhelmed. It's just like you're anxious because you wanted to, you know, get it done. But like I said, I got this topic off of Randy Hernandez on Beard Booze. Check his channel out. Awesome channel. He puts out good videos. Has his own products, like I said. You know, check out his website. I'm gonna try to put a link down below. I haven't been on my laptop lately, so I'm gonna try to do that. But check out his channel. Awesome channel. And yeah, with that, I hope y'all have a, you know, good rest of y'all Saturday. Enjoy these football games if you like football. Enjoy the rest of y'all weekend. And yeah, I'm out. Peyton, get ready. Let me get my tryout in for NBA on TNT. Welcome back to NBA on TNT. Tonight we have the Golden State Warriors versus the Oklahoma City Thunder. And I think Russell Westbrook is still holding a grudge from 3 years ago when Kevin Durant left to pursue a championship with the Golden State Warriors. Hey, what are your thoughts, Ernie? Come on, Sean. Come on. Come on. Get it together. Get serious. Get serious. Man, like my hairline, it was like way back here. If I was in the military, I had to salute like this. Yes, sir. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Shampoo again, back with another video. And first of all, I'd like to welcome you. Hello, it's your boy Shampoo again, back with another video. And I started.